Yeah. Hello. Yeah. So I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name still remain the same. Ken Rhymes, co-founder of Random Technology Company. Yeah. So today I want to introduce a new app to you, a new investment app to you. Yeah. So I'll leave the link in my description. If you want to register on the app, you can do it. But let me tell you this thing. I'm not forcing you to do any investment. I just do it and it's helping me making money online, and I decide to share it. So it means that I'm not a financial coach. I'm just here to tell you what is working for me. So if you want to enjoy, that's cool. Yeah. So first of all, when you open the app and register, you have to first of all recharge the accounts. And recharge the accounts, you have to recharge 13 USDT. So you copy your address and go to, let's say, Binance, and you go to, let's say, withdraw. So you can go to Binance or Xness. Is that then any digital wallet you are using? Yeah. So when I go to USDT, I just I just what enter this thing over here. You see. I just enter this over here, and then I'll withdraw the money inside the account. So when I do that, automatically the VIP one will open for me. So right now I've deposited money, so you can see that VIP one have open for me. So after VIP one open for you, go to task. So task. I've seen that there are tasks for me to complete. So completing one task will give me 40 USDT. That's more than 40 Ghana cedis. So I'll click on it, complete task. When I go here, you see that it's complete. So I'll go to me, withdraw. You see that I can withdraw what's 4.0 USDT. So you go to your account and copy your deposit wallet. So I'm using Xness. So if you want to also use Xness, I will leave Xness link in my description so that you can also use it. Then I'll copy my address and I'll go straight to the account and paste, and make sure that you are pasting the correct address, because after first transaction you can't change it. So I'll enter the amount 4.0 and I'll click complete. So right now I've already withdrawn the money into my account. So when I go to my account, so let's say three minutes later or 5 minutes later, you see that the money will reflect in my account. Yeah. So right now, so let me save it. So after that, you can also go to your financial records to check everything, whether the money is there. So I recently withdraw. I've withdraw for USDT. So 3 minutes later, you see that the money will reflect in my account. So let me check my account. So I have $135 in my account. So let's wait to see that it will reflect in my account very soon. Yeah. Yeah. So that's how it works. Like it's very easy. It's very easy. So let's assume that you invested, let's say, 12 USDT, and every day you're making 4 USDT. For a week, how much are you making? You're making a lot of money. You see that thing. And even if you're in Ghana, that means you're making a lot of money. You're making a lot of money. So let me go to the VIP for us to see something. The VIP, the VIP one, you'll be withdrawing 4 USDT daily, and the VIP two, you'll be withdrawing $24 daily. With VIP three, you'll be withdrawing $60 daily. So let's see the VIP two. How much are you like? How much will you invest? So let's see. So let's see. So for VIP one, you'll be investing 12 USDT, because after register with my link, you'll be getting 300 USDT. So all you need is what, to add up 12 USDT. So VIP two, you have to what, add 72 USDT, and every day you'll be withdrawing 24 USDT. VIP three, you have to what, add up 72. You have to add up 172 2 USDT, and daily you'll be withdrawing 60 USDT. So let me check whether the alert is in. So have you seen that? Right now I have 139. That means it's what is in. It's in. So let's go to the transaction history for you to see that it's in. So have you seen that? Right now I have 4 USDT. I've been adding up to my accounts. Yeah, you see. So I've been withdrawing a lot of money from this apps. Yeah. And one thing about this one is what they just launch it. So it's very good for you to make good use of it right now because they just what launch it. Yeah. So just make good use of what of it before like something will happen. Yeah. They just launch it. Yeah. And let me remind you this. I have a course that I'm selling it for just 30 cedis. I have all this top top 5 investment app that have been using it for 1 month now. So so I will leave that course in my description right now so that you can also purchase that course. And this course, all this app will earn you more than 45 cedis. That's more than 4.1 USDT. You see, yeah. So I'll leave the course in my description so that you can also enjoy it. Can also enjoy. It's very very simple. Yeah. So I think I'm done because like I've showed you how you can recharge the accounts and how you can withdraw money from your account. And if you want to download the app, this is the app. If you want to download the app, this is the app. Yeah. And if you have any issue on this app, you just click on this thing and chat them on Telegram and tell them your problem and they will help you solve it. Yeah. So when I come to me this one's my account. Right now, I've withdrawn the money inside. So when you perform the tax finish, the money will add up to your account. Then you withdraw it. And please, 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 please take this as a caution. Like please, after performing your task, perform the task. Please withdraw your money. Withdraw the money. Withdraw the money. Please withdraw the money. Yeah, that one day I'll tell you. I don't want you to like wait for a last minute. Nah. So after performing your task, when you perform the task today, make sure that today you withdraw. Just like how I did it. I perform the task right now and I withdraw the money. So the money can be in your wallet for as long as 10 years. That one is your own wallet. But for the app, please withdraw the money as soon as possible. Afterwards, after doing your after finishing your task, withdraw your money. So thank you for watching me and I'm out.